Hello fellow creatives, this is Munye Scripts, and today we are going to be looking at more than 10 business ideas that you may have to go for depending on your interests and depending on what you would love to invest in your money and time. Okay, there are several ideas that we can happen to have as creative people, as anyone without any idea of creativity. So endeavor to see that you follow along. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button. So when you subscribe, click on that bell button so that you do not miss out on any of the videos that I happen to put out. Okay, so endeavor to see that you subscribe so that you do not miss out. So I'm going to be sharing some business ideas that we would go for as people, okay, as people who are just looking up at starting some businesses that can bring us some passive income or else any sort of income, as we provide services that may be a little bit digital or other than any other services that you would consider. So my first idea would be online coaching or consulting. So I believe there are a lot of websites out there that you can go and sign up to, then you become an online coach. That may be with gymming, with any knowledge that you happen to know. So you just fill in that information online on those different platforms, and after filling in that information, so someone can contact you and pays a certain amount of money to you, and you start coaching that person as an online coach. Okay, so then the other idea that I could give you is you opening up an e-commerce store. So you can open up an e-commerce store, like you would go to markets, different markets, then you buy certain stuff. Let me say, if I'm maybe impressed with fashion, or I have a desire for fashion, then it means I can maybe go to different markets, buy some stuff, then customize them to my desires that I want to be selling on my different platforms. Then I upload those commodities, maybe dresses, shoes, ladies shoes, gentlemen shoes. Then I after upload them to my platforms, and people may come up and buy them, or else you can also sell on some other platforms of different people. When you sign up with those platforms, they give you that chance, because they are websites that are multi-vendor websites, okay, that you can check depending on your country. So you have to just go around those different websites. Okay, then on our number one idea that I gave you people, that is online, that was online coaching or consulting. So you can begin your own platform. You can also open up a YouTube channel whereby people can consult you for a cost. Like this one here that I opened up, people consult me and pay for anything within the music industry, within filming. So you could consider also forming something like that. Then the other idea that I would give you would be content creation services. Okay, so like this one, like you creating different videos about some stuff. Okay, like here I happen to teach different stuff about music, about video shooting, about editing and graphics designing. So, and you may find that people contact you and they need your services, and as you provide those services, you charge them a certain cost and they happen to pay you. So you can also consider becoming a social media manager. And what I would love also to say is, it is all about you dedicating some time and you make research. So you find that most of the media, like our social media handles, provide us with almost any sort of information for free that you would love to look out for. It is just that what you are looking for is not commercial based, or looking at getting you more money or getting you some sort of income. So that is why you are facing that of not that challenge of not having what to do, maybe not having that extra source of income, because that is not what you're looking for. You just visit social media for maybe showbiz, maybe entertaining, just not learning anything. So please try out looking for, maybe, yes, we look for entertainment, but get entertained as you learn something. At least get entertained for some hours, then you also happen to learn something new. Okay, so then the other option is content creation services. I've explained that. Then digital marketing agencies, so you would manage social media platforms, or you would get connected to some people with a bigger audience, so that if you are paid for marketing, you could contact those people and you happen to maybe share an artist's video, maybe you share someone's content that that person wants to get marketed and get some views, gets heard by people, real people. So you could do that. It is a matter of you getting connected or knowing what you have to do. Okay, and you're able to convince someone to trust you, and you're able to share that content to people. Then the other thing would be graphics designing services. So you would go for, because there are courses online, where there are platforms online where you could go and happen to pay just a little fee, and you start learning graphics designing. After you learning, you could provide that service to people, designing them business cards, because now, for example, business cards, almost no business person does not need a business card, but you'll find that most of them do not know how to create them. So endeavor to see that you go out on YouTube. It would not require you an hour to learn a business card, no. So get to know what information is needed to make a business card, what must be on a business card, and besides that, which people need business cards, so that you know which people to approach and how would you approach them, and how would you provide that service to them. Okay, so our the other number would be personal training and fitness coaching. So with you coaching different people, remember that is one of the stuff that we started with, coaching. So with you coaching different people, you earn as you coach those people. So that is something also another business out there. So as a fitness coach or a personal trainer, so you have to make sure that you focus on your business. Do not enter people's houses and you start meandering around with some other stuff. As youth, as you get, sometimes we get distracted. So you should avoid that and focus on your business, because with your character, it may turn to be, your business may grow big, and you also hire people to have a team that you work with and you're the boss. But if you're not disciplined and you're not committed to your work and giving it value, it then basically means that you'll end up losing out, and you may end up even in prison. So endeavor to see that you fight for what you want to be, and see that you do it the right way. If I told you a personal trainer, don't scam people, don't end up conning people's children, because that is how these fitness whatevers end up losing out, people's wives. So if you're straight to the point, then you'll get there. Then besides that, we have meal prep or catering services. So it is a matter of going and taking a course over these, then you'll happen to learn. And so this is video number 1. So I'm still continuing with some business ideas that would earn you some money as a youth, and besides, as a youth, as anyone, as a side hustle person, that do not require you a whole day to be doing the same job for you to earn. So you would do it maybe in the evening or early in the morning before maybe you go for that usual work or that monthly work. So okay, so endeavor to say that you subscribe, so that you do not miss out on any of the videos that I happen to put out. So this is MUCIAN from MUCIAN Lifestyle. So we are going to be starting from there in our next video.